Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in this particular month and how the natural gas price can move in the next month. Okay, so if you look at the chart, what you can see that natural gas price for this particular month, it is continuously on the downside. Okay, and the high of that candle is at around $7.199. Okay, and a low of around which is currently trading at $4.951. Okay, and what you have seen that since August of 2021 there is so much volatility we have seen. It is because that the price of USD getting strengthened, because of Fed is continuously increasing the rate of the interest as well as the Russian war. Okay, Russian and Ukraine war. See, what you have seen, there is a continuous upside and a downfall, and so much of volatility we have seen. But before that, if you look at this particular chart since 2009 March, we have seen it is moving in this particular zone. As soon as this zone break upside, we have seen there is an upside. Okay, if you want to attend my workshop regarding how to analyze the charts, when to enter, when to exit, and when to know how the trend is moving, you can mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. Okay, see, look at this particular chart. I have clearly stating you since my previous videos that this is the pattern forming, where I have told you that once it started moving upside, we can see a trend can move high. Okay, so if you look at this, my previous charts from 5.1, I was continuously telling you that the price can move further upside, and there is a pattern forming that whenever it goes high, we have seen there is a sharp fall has come, and this is being repeated 5 times if you see my weekly chart. Okay, so now after making this particular high, we have seen there is a continuous downfall is happening. So what we can see looking at this chart for the next month. Before we move forward and explain you, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so probability is there if this level sustain. Chances are high because this is the support, which is a strong support. So suppose if the price bounce back from this particular level, what you can see, the next resistance coming at around $5.353. Okay, and if this particular level sustain, then the next resistance above that particular level is $5.922. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, this $5.922 is a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there. We can see it can touch a level of around $6.349. Okay, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $6.649. Okay, and this $6.649 is again a weak resistance, so you have to keep this in mind. Once started moving upside, then this level and this level can cross upside, because this is these both are weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there, and we can see it can go towards a level of $7.204. This $7.204 is again a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $8.128. This is again a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of $9.3. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart from 2009. Okay, but what you have to remember that once started moving upside, okay, once it move over level of 6.3, then we can see a level of 6.7, and once it sustain above that level, chances are very high we can see it can cross that particular level and can go towards a level of 7.4. And once start moving above that particular level, chances are high that we can see it can go towards a level of $8.199. And once it sustain above that level, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, so you have to understand here that whenever the zone breakout happens, we can see upside or downside movement can come. Okay, so once it goes above a level of 8.1, chances of moving further upside is there, because this is the level where you can see the most of the resistance are being tested here, so chances of moving further upside is there, and we can see it can go towards a level of $9.408 also, and if that sustain, a probability of moving further upside is there. Okay, now as you can see, there are a lot of volatility we have seen from you can say September 2021. Okay, now natural gas is trading at its low, okay, since 2 years, so probability is high because this is the support. If this bounce back didn't happen, or this level didn't sustain, then chances are high it can break this particular level and can go towards a level of $4.570. Okay, and if that level move further down, then a probability of touching a level of 4.214 is there. Okay, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $3.503. Hope you understand this. Once it moves below this level, we can see a level of $3.503, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of $2.934. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Once it didn't sustain this particular support, chances of touching 4.21 is there. From there we can see a level of $3.563, and if that level also didn't sustain, we can see it can move further low. At a probability it can go towards a level of around, after moving towards a level of 4.2, we can see a level of 3.52, another support of $3, 2.934. And if that level all didn't sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.649 and then further down, so to a level of 2.4. Okay, and then further down the price didn't sustain. You have to keep this in mind, because this is the range where the price of natural gas was moving for so long. So we can see it will come again in this particular zone and move in the zone itself till the time it didn't break a level. Now understand something, that if you are trading, you have to be careful, because most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1000 to 1500. Okay, this is all my personal opinion that I'm telling you, and 0.5 to 1% per trade, that is $50 to $100. Okay, suppose if you took 5 trades, your maximum risk per 100, that is 100 per trade, maximum risk for a day. So if you lose all 5 trades, your maximum loss will be $500. Okay, so you can stop the trade for that particular day. You will be more relaxed the next day in order to make profit, rather than recovering this $500, because it will not affect your psychology. What people do is they lose so much money in the first day itself, they try to recover it. Okay, and then in the process of recovering, they lose their full capital. Okay, so this is what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these barriers, when to trade, when to strategize, when to hedge, okay, when to enter. These are all the things which I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.